Greetings, Aditya. This is Vasco Series 011. Today we're going to ninth experiment, that is PHP using database connection and cookies. We are going to make a registration login page using PHP using SQL as well as cookies. So in this, first we make a table. First we make a table for the user ID and password in the SQL, and we'll connect that database to the login page, and it will check that whether the password is correct or not. If the password is correct, it will show that it will log in, otherwise it will not, it won't. And registration page, we can create new user ID and password. With that, it will automatically uh, inserted into the database also, and we can reset the password as well as uh, we can see those who have already registered in it. So basically this is our code. So first we will make a database. I've already made it with three usernames. One is AB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with email IDs. Then this is for connect page. To connect the page, first in the open we will use db host, that is webtech.current.radio, then db user, that will be US extension 011, and db password, that will be uh, also US 011. Then it's check for connecting. This is the query which is used, that is mysqlite the underscore connect $db host $db user $db, otherwise it will be showing as connection error. Our database name will be zero migration number, that is 0 011, and it will select the connection as well as name, or otherwise it will show database error to connect the database. Now our first page, that is our login registration page, where we can insert the values. So I have made a forum for user mail and password and read password. Uh, After that, I have opened session for inserting for error inserting as well as for registered people. Here I'm going to use the connected, that is it will check from the table company the username and password, and will display the all the usernames and all the users names from the database. This is the for conditions for printing the uh, usernames, as well as now it will go for login, it will go to PHP 2 or PHP 3. Page now 1.1, it is for connecting, that is it will check whether it is available, the username is available in the database or not. If it is, you say it is already available, otherwise it won't. Then for name password, it will check it, cross check it, say if it will encrypted password, otherwise not. Then in searches the password is not matched. Now for second, it is we are using insert cookie uh, for we insert cookie username from the welcome page. Header welcome page will be heading to the welcome page, and we use after this it will lead to 2 and 2-2, which is first. Here we log in it, then after that forgot password, go to forgot password, and 2.2 it will basically show us the uh, whether the database uh, say where the database is equal or not. That is, it will check whether it is logged in or not. This is basically for login page. And so we have started the session, established the connection, then we check the user and got the user first. Then it will get that select username for company where username is our enter password and password. If it is there, then it's connected. Otherwise it won't. It will go to the welcome page. Welcome page, it will directly redirect the page if the password entered password is username password is there in the database. It will directly redirect to the welcome page. And third, it is for resetting the password, where once if we forgot the password, we reset the password. For that, we use again username, email ID, and password. And here we for that again we going to take the connection part. Then for logging out, if the username is start session and set cookie username, set cookie, you set the cookie, it will set the username which is used at that and back to the location our page to do, that is login page. Then this is basically a welcome page, that is what it will show after logging in. So it will show welcome, keep smiling, happy day. That's it. Now I will show you the see only 3 people are registered, so I'm logging in. AB 1 2 3 login. So happily welcome this. By this our experiment 9 is successfully executed. Thank you.